What's up guys, Julian again, and today we are in Santa Barbara for Lisette's birthday. We're actually staying at an Airbnb for the whole weekend, and it's right by the beach, so we're gonna be going there a lot. We're pretty excited. Here she is. Her birthday in 2 days.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, we got a pretty nice place. It's cozy. I'm just gonna show it to you guys just because I'm excited about it. But here is the living room. And here's the room. And there is a huge backyard. Show it to you guys real quick. Just look at all that. We just got here and we're not sure what else we're doing today. We had a, not a long drive, but a 2-hour drive from where we live to get down here. And we're just pretty hungry, so we're gonna go get some food. It's still COVID-19 pandemic status up in here, so probably to-go place, no eating in, no fancy dine-in, which is sad, but we'll manage. We brought lots of beer. Oh, hold on. Yeah, we packed it nicely. Look at that, all this beer. Bought beer from local breweries in Lancaster, and here it is. So that's gonna be us this weekend. Yeah. All right, so we're here at the Santa Barbara waterfront, waiting for a table. We found a place that does outdoor dining and seafood at the same time. Otherwise, it's takeout to go, back in the room, back indoors in the house, and you know, we're trying to make things a bit, what do you say, romantic here, and adventurous, yes. And you know, the house isn't a very adventurous place to be, so we're gonna venture out. This place is full of people. Most of us are wearing our masks. There are a few individuals, especially sneezing, that are not wearing the mask, and it's very irritating. There's a kayaking place down here too, and I'm very interested in going kayaking. Maybe tomorrow. I did bring some GoPros, so it'd be perfect for that. It's a really short guy and a really big bike. When you have the views and you can like take your mind off of whatever hunger you're feeling with this view, then it's not too bad at all. Right now we're taking our adventure to the next level, walking the bridge